in the last meeting, and I said the last digits will be replaced. Supposing I write another quotation. Which means all the digits after the decimal get replaced. Are you following this? I hope you're able to understand this. Same way when I write the same thing in American codes. In European codes, sorry. In European codes, if I'm going to write, it is going to be USD 1 is equal to, sorry, is equal to 86.506575, which means last digits. You will start replacing from this digit and the remaining digits continue. Supposing it is going to be SD 1 is equal to rupees 86.5065195, right? Are you following this? This is how we write the codes in American as well as European codes. So, can we pass on to the next if you have understood? Can we pass on to the next if you have understood? You may take a screenshot or whatever. Please take a screenshot of this photo. We saw what is direct quote, what is indirect quote, how to write quote in American way, how to write quote in European way. Then we saw how to spread, and we saw bid and ask and how to calculate the spread. Bid ask or bid offer, right? So now I will start with my next part. Right? जहाँ पे 1 आता है वो बेस करेंसी है और जहाँ पे number of units, that is variable currency, right? So screen share again. So now it's going to be mid rate. Next part we will be discussing about mid rate, how to calculate mid rate. So as I say, mid rate is going to be bid plus ask by 2. Make the correction please. Bid plus ask by 2, right? This is going to be bid plus. Okay? Bid plus ask by 2. Plus ask by 2. Okay? Spread equal to A minus B. Are you following? Mid rate equal to A plus B by 2. Spread equal to A minus B. Now coming to the next part. We will calculate a few spread mid rate also. Spread or mid rate थोड़ा calculate करेंगे हम. Can we calculate the mid rate of this? I will calculate the spread and mid rate. spread is equal to 5195, right? Minus 86 point. What do I get the spread as? I get the spread as 0 point, correct? 0135 is my spread. This is going to be in rupees, right? USD 1 equal USD का spread जो है ये है, okay? Now mid rate is equal to which is equal to what do I get here? Can somebody calculate? The whole by 2. Add them, divide by 2. When I add, I get 0. 0.7 167, sorry, 7. Okay. Are you doing it with me? Are you doing it with me here? Zero point 00675 is the answer, right? I'm sorry, I'm not able to calculate it here. This is my mid rate. नहीं, this is sorry, mid rate मुझे 86 में आना चाहिए. Sorry बेटा, mid rate has to be between this. इन दोनों के बीच वाला rate, average rate है. So I will do it with my Excel sheet. 86.5065. $86.5065, 86.5195. Were these the rates? So I will say this. Oh, this is equal to slash 2. So I get as 86.5130 is the answer. 86.5130 is my mid rate here between the two rates. This is going to be INR, rupees. This is the mid rate here. Any doubt here? Are you clear? See, I have given you this problem. Given the quote rupees 5260 and 310 equal to €1. Identify the bid, identify the offer or ask, find the mid rate and spread. Please do it on the same Excel sheet. I am enabling. I'm enabling your this thing. You can do it here. Who wants to do it? Who wants to do it? Raise your hands. What is direct quote? What is direct quote? जो करेंसी के सामने नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स आता है उसको डायरेक्ट कोट कहते हैं. USD 1 इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे देखा हमने यूरो के करेंसी में इट इज एन इनडायरेक्ट कोट, रुपीस के इसमें रुपीस के कोटेशन में इट इज अ डायरेक्ट कोट. Number of units of a currency in terms of one unit of another currency, right? That is called as direct quote. One unit of a currency in terms of number of units of a currency is called indirect quote. Obviously एक currency direct रहेगा, दूसरा currency indirect ही रहेगा. तो जो currency में direct है उसमें number of units जुड़ा रहेगा, जो currency में indirect है उसमें एक unit का जुड़ा रहेगा. Are you following, all of you? Are you all understanding direct, indirect? Next class we'll see how to convert direct to indirect, indirect to direct. We calculated, we understood what is bid, what is ask. What is bid? The rate at which banker is buying to buy your foreign currency or your base currency in terms of variable currency. Variable currency कौन सा है? ये रुपीस है, वो वेरी होता जा रहा है. Base currency is 1 unit का. Are you following? Yes, bid rate, this is called as bid. Supposing euro 1 equal to euro 1 is equal to, I write like this, ठीक है, so much INR. मतलब जब आप 1 यूरो खरीदना चाहते हैं बैंक से तो आपको 86.5195 देना पड़ेगा. जब आप 1 यूरो बेचते हो बैंक आपको कितना देगी? 86.5065, right? Bank will buy at this rate, bank will sell at this rate. Bank will buy euro at this rate, bank will sell euro at this rate. Are you following? Any doubts? Are you following? Yes. Ask is what the bank sells, you're right. Bid is was the bank buys, you're right. So any doubts so far? So as of now, we also saw spread. Difference between ask and bid is called as ask minus bid. Difference between bid and ask is called as spread. The in between rate, average of ask and bid is called as mid rate, right? Spread is equal to ask minus bid. Mid rate equal to A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 is called as mid rate. We calculated all these today. And we saw how to write an European code, how to write an American code. So the bank buys in less amount. हमेशा बैंक फायदा उठाती है. देखो बैंक 5065 में खरीदती है, राइट? बैंक अगर मैंने 1 यूरो दिया तो बैंक इतना रुपीस देगी. अगर मुझे 1 यूरो लेना है तो मुझे बैंक को इतना देना पड़ेगा. Are you following? This is how it is. बैंक हमेशा ज्यादा लेगी, कम देगी. Simple term, simple way to remember. बैंक हमेशा ज्यादा हमसे लेती है, हमें देते टाइम कम देती है. That is how we should understand. So any doubt? We saw some basic terminologies in foreign exchange. When we perform numerical operations, we will be able to understand. We will be using these terminologies, these ways of reading code. We also saw rate movement initially, how a currency moves up or down is interpreted. one way code से हम सीधा two way code को चले गए थे. So with that we will wind up for now. We will see some more terminologies and understand some more things in the next class. I am going very slow here in foreign exchange so that we understand clearly.